So I would describe my relationship with Brendan and Tracy as sort of like a mentor slash big brother, big sister type of relationship. They help you to get off your feet, and then they also there to keep pushing you until they feel like you're okay to be on your own, and then they still continue to come back and support you. They never just let you go. My name is Deonn. I'm 26 years old. I am originally from Fiji, and I've been living here in New Zealand for the past 5 years. And before I started this cleaning business, I was working in sort of the sheet metal CNC industry. Before I started with gyms, I had a look at the other cleaning company competitors that also serve out franchises, and I just felt that gyms was the most promising looking one at that time. Yes, I definitely think that the price agreement for the gym's cleaning group is very fair compared to others that I had done research on prior to signing up with gyms. So I think their fee structure is good. There's no hidden fees. So for example, the competitors that I looked at were charging a very low entry fee, but the monthly royalties that they were charging was a 15% of your monthly turnover, which I think is ridiculous. So the more you make, the more they take, which is unfair on you. So basically, if you have a high work rate, they're taking more of what you do. So my biggest concern before starting this business was the actual risk that I was taking, leaving a secure paying job 9 to 5 and going and actually working for myself and doing everything on my own and for myself. When I first started my business, I felt good, I felt proud, I felt happy for me taking a step out of the box and being able to work for my family and for myself as well. The biggest surprise for me would have been more of an emotional surprise, waking up the morning after signing the contract and finally calling myself self-employed and working for myself and working for my family. So the gym's brand name was very useful in acquiring new clients, as everybody knows what gym looks like with the beard and the bucket hat. So that was actually not one foot in the door but two, and actually made things a lot easier coming into this business. So the most rewarding thing with doing this cleaning business is the flexibility that I have throughout the day. I'm able to reschedule and schedule jobs based on my time and my schedule when I want to do them, and also coinciding with the clients and what suits their schedule. My plan for the business now is to make it a successful one. There are numbers that say about 70% of businesses fail in the first 3 years of operation, and I'm hoping that I'm not going to be in that category. So my plan is to just build and continuously build and never stop learning. So for anyone that's wanting to start their own gym's cleaning franchise, I reckon you should definitely go for it. Go all out and go all in. You always have that support from Brendan and Tracy, both spiritually and physical support as well, with them giving you work and also checking up on your well-being. And just go for it. The reward is always better than the risk.